To install a custom-made Pooltex fitted pool cover, you'll need the following items to install the cover: a masonry drill suitable for a 10mm or 7/8" masonry drill bit, a hammer, a straight slot screwdriver, a 1000mm length of 4mm or 6mm clear PVC tube, a 12mm or 1/2" wood chisel or a flexible knife, a 6mm steel type drill bit for cleaning out any deformed PVC plugs, a dustpan and brush or outdoor vacuum cleaner for cleaning up the pool surround. Your manufactured cover is supplied in a heavy-duty bag for easy storage of the pool cover when not in use. Carefully open the bag so as not to damage it. The bag can be left with the pool owner for future use. The cover is supplied with the fittings separate, ready to be attached on site. These are simple to attach and are fully adjustable, so they can be moved anywhere along the edge of the cover. Unroll the cover across one end of the pool. The A and B positions have been marked on the cover to make it easier to position correctly before you start drilling holes for the fittings. Locate these points by checking the underneath of the cover for the A and B markings, and then start adding the fittings to the cover. Using your screwdriver, loosen the screw on the fitting enough to allow it to slip over the rope hem. Tighten the fitting so it firmly grips the rope hem. The fitting should be attached one at each seam, and at least one in between each seam on the sides of the pool, then spaced approximately 800 to 900mm apart on the ends of the pool. When you've attached all the fittings, drape the cover over the pool. Align the A and B points marked on the underside of the cover with the original A and B point locations you marked when you measured the pool. A weight, such as a brick, positioned in 4 places around the pool on the coping, can be used on a rope fitting to hold the cover to help position it. Let's review the features and benefits of an Abgal Pooltex cover. We use a specially formulated fabric that is made shiny and flat through a unique process, which means debris and leaves won't catch on it, a common problem with other shade cloth type materials. The fabric is half the weight of shade cloth, which means your Pooltex cover is much easier to fit and remove from the pool. Seams are welded to avoid stitching immersed in chlorinated water while the cover is in use. This means longer lasting seams, as the welding lasts the life of the fabric. We use PVC plug inserts fitted into the pool coping. These minimize wear on both the pool cover fitting and the hole that's been drilled into the pool surround. Abgal's state-of-the-art design and production facility expertly and accurately creates the cover that fits the pool no matter what shape it is. Using CAD design and robotic cutting equipment, you can be assured the cover is exactly the shape you measured. Using this accuracy, we can include cables to support and secure the cover around obstacles like raised copings and rock formations. Coupled with our order tracking system through the internet, email notification of goods being shipped, and Abgal's legendary service and backup, you can be assured that you have the best custom-made pool cover on the market. Pool covers are the single most effective way to reduce pool water loss through evaporation. When you add to that the benefit of reducing chemical usage, keeping the pool free of leaves and debris, and the enormous amount of time saved from pool maintenance, a pool cover is an essential pool accessory. On some delicate coping finishes like ceramic tile, it may be necessary to drill a smaller pilot hole first, before drilling with the 11mm masonry drill. You need to use your discretion, and if not sure, test a hole in a non-obvious location first. If you cannot evenly position the cover before you drill, start with the A point and drill the closest fitting to A, and secure it in place. Move to the B end of the pool and do the same with the closest fitting to the B point. Adjust the fittings at A and B so the overlap is even, and this will ensure the rest of the cover has an even overlap before you drill the remainder of the fittings. It is important that the hole for the fitting is drilled at a 5 to 10 degree angle away from the pool, so the fittings hold securely in place when the cover is fitted. Drill to a depth of 50mm, which is deeper than the length of the PVC plug, so over time, silt can build up in the hole but not interfere with the fitting of the cover. Using a piece of 4mm clear PVC tube, blow the excess drill dust from the hole to clear it before inserting the PVC plug. Hammer the PVC plug into the hole as far as you can. Often the plug will bind on some reinforcing in the coping, leaving part of the PVC plug protruding. Using a wood chisel, trim off the excess PVC so the plug is flush with the pool coping. Insert the pool cover fitting and check that it does not bind. If it does bind, use a 6mm steel drill bit to clean out the PVC plug and check the fitting again to make sure it slides easily into the hole. These fittings do not screw into the PVC plug. They just slide in freely and hold in place under tension. Now adjust the cover to the correct overlap. Use the dustpan and brush to clean up as you go, and continue to drill and install the remainder of the fittings. The cover will rest on the pool water when it has been correctly tensioned. It should be taut, but is not designed to be as tight as a trampoline. Over-tensioning will shorten the life of the cover fabric.